Hello everyone, in this video I will explain the architecture of the Chand Bibi Mahal. In simple words, the Chand Bibi Mahal is a historical structure located in Ahmednagar, Maharashtra. It is connected to Chand Bibi, a brave and intelligent queen known for her courage and leadership. This monument is an excellent example of ancient Indian architecture knowledge, especially the technique used in the medieval period. When we look at the Chand Bibi Mahal from the outside, the first thing we notice it its simple but very symmetrical design. The builder used stone and lime mortar to make the structure strong. These materials were common in old Indian building because they last long and protect the structure from heat and rain. This shows the practical knowledge people had at that time. One of the most special features of this monument is its octagonal shape, which means it has 8 sides. This shape was used in many royal and important buildings. The octagon makes the building strong and balanced. It also helps in distributing the weight equally. This shows how the architect of that time understood geometrically and stably. At the top of the structure, there is a large and beautiful dome. The dome is a simple but building such a dome requires a great engineering skill. The weight of the dome is held by strong wall and arches. The dome also keeps the inside cooler by allowing hot air to rise. This is an example of climate smart design used by Indian architects. The Chand Bibi Mahal has many arches. Arches are curved openings that act like strong support. The curved design helps carry the weight from the top to the sides. Arches also allow air and light to enter the building. This nature ventilation keeps the place cool and comfortable. It shows how people use science and design together long before modern technology existed. The walls of the monument are very thick. Thick stone walls act like natural insulation. They keep the inside cool during the summer and warm during the winter. This was a smart way of designing buildings according to the Indian climate. This kind of traditional knowledge is a part of what we study in IKEAS, using local material and nature method to create comfortable living space. If we look closely, we can see some small carving and near net stonework. These details show the skills of the craftsmen who work on the monument. Their knowledge came from traditional training method passes down through generation, which is another important part of the knowledge system. The monument is built on slightly higher from the ground. This gave it a good view of the surrounding and allow wind to flow freely around the structure. The open area around the monument also highlights its symmetrical shape, making it look grand and impressive. The Chand Bibi Mahal is not just a historical building, it is a great example of how ancient Indian architect used math reflected the deep knowledge that exists in Indian long ago. Thank you for watching my IKEA's project video on the architecture of Chand Bibi Mahal.